Good morning, guys. I hope you are doing great. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. But you know what? I'll have to show you this indicator. For those who don't really know this indicator, it actually shows you where you're supposed to look for that buy and where you're supposed to look for that sell. So here it's actually on US30. You can see this was a proper sell. But at the moment, I wasn't going to entertain anything that has to do with maybe indices because things are not moving very well. So it's better to wait for the market to recover very nice before we jump on the market. We can see here on EurUsd, this was a proper sell. And at the end of the day, I think we're going to get something here going up again. We did smash the market. I saw a trade yesterday, USD we were selling. So you can see this. I will be showing you that order or that structure that we took. You can see here market was going down very nice. So if you want this system, it's currently on special. You will just let me know. If you want to check the description, you will find my contacts, or let me just place this here. You can scan that QR code, then you can talk to me. So yeah, let me start with that USD JPY, and so that I can show you where we took that sell. You can see here, let me just use 4 hours time frame. So the market is moving crazy. Yesterday we did have CPI, which it was quite weak, and that is very good because we expect to see inflation to go lower. If it doesn't really go lower, that is going to be a problem. So now, I think I forgot to change that, sorry. So now we are on USD JPY. You can see here that actually on the market, we had this proper downtrend structure. So we took that sell. I hope maybe you can see that. So I'm still expecting it to go a little bit lower, maybe up to this point. And around this area, you can also draw something like that. See that? So we are on a proper downtrend. So which means the dollar is losing some momentum here and there. And yeah, that's how it is. So now on EurUsD, I'm expecting this to go a little bit up, but where the market is, I can say the market is overbought. I think we might still have a nice reversal before continuing going up. But the overall structure, it was a proper downtrend, and we are no longer on that downtrend. Now we expect the market to continue going up. I hope maybe you see that. So along the way here, the market created something. If I go closer there, you will see that the market actually is creating something. So that was just a buy pending order. If I remove this, you will see that the market is just creating this structure. So the market is actually consolidate, push up, consolidate, push up, and we expect something like that to continue, unless if maybe the market tries to reverse up to this point before continuing going up again. But at the moment, we can conclude and say we are still on that nice uptrend, even though I think a reversal is actually it will be necessary to have that reversal. So now we are on a dollar index, which it's still on that nice downtrend structure. Coming from this aggressive push, you can see we're coming from this breakout. Now it's like the market is back on our previous trend. So which means we can just be extra careful because we can see that the dollar is quite weaker. So which means it's quite straightforward that we are going to look for other pairs that are going against the dollar, and we are going to buy them actually because the dollar is losing that momentum, and it might continue like that, especially when we are going to have, like, I think it's PPI today. If it's going to be weaker, we might expect to see the dollar getting or continuing with that weakness again. So now we are on GbpUsd on 4 hours time frame structure. We can still see that we are on that nice uptrend, and you can see here the market created a nice resistance, which seems like the market broke out. Maybe the market might retest here before continuing. quite similar to what I was showing you on EurUsd. The overall structure, yes, it's actually a proper uptrend. So which means there is still a nice chance for the market to reverse, but we are still continuing with that uptrend. So which means if we don't really see a respect here, we will expect the market to respect the second support area. If that is also violated, I think the market will be going for the third stronger support. But at the moment, we're still hoping to see a nice push from those levels. I hope maybe that makes sense. So tariffs are not making it easy for everyone, by the way. So now we are here on gold. Gold seems to be struggling, guys. Struggling to continue with the uptrend. Yes, we are already on this nice, stronger uptrend. But where we are, we can say the market is just playing around the resistance. Do you see that? We are on this resistance area, and the market might actually go even lower. But if we see a breakout here, I think we will see a nice push the upside. Remember, Ukraine actually accepted ceasefire for 30 days. So we are still waiting for Russia. I don't know if maybe they're going to allow that, but I think they're going to talk about it. And if things start to go nice on that, I think we are going to see maybe a smaller reversal. But the problem is the tariffs left and right, the metals prices are going up, stainless steel, silver, whatever, they are now going up. And remember, gold is also a precious metal, even if it's not used the same way as stainless steel, right? So which means that can also push gold to go higher. I hope maybe that makes sense, you see. But the thing is, we have so much stuff going on, geopolitics left and right, that might make the market to be kind of crazy. But what we can do at the moment is to try to follow what we have as a structure, but make sure you update yourself with some economic news left and right. So now we are on US30. This is a proper sell. I saw other news, they say US stock market lost like almost 1.2 trillion. That's crazy. That's seriously crazy. But what we have, we just have something like this. What you can do here, you can maybe place a notification so that when the market reverses, you don't really miss that, because it looks like it might respect this area, but it's slowly inching lower. At the moment, it's on negative. We are on that negative, and we can't sell or look for a sell if the market still makes sense that we are around this support area. Unless if the market breaks out, then we can start to say, you know what, it's our time to look for that continuation of that sell. But even if it continues, it won't continue like this, obviously. It will have proper moves that we can actually follow. At the moment, it's just an aggressive move. It's just some panics left and right, and that's normal. So now we are on Nasdaq. Line there. So similar to US30, we can see that the market is actually on the lowest area, and we show that the market wasn't moving that much, but we see that it's on negative at the moment. So which means we are still on those selling spree, but the market is just moving around the same level, unless if we break this level. To me, this is now clear than before, the time when the market was here, because the time we were trying to draw, everything was not making sense. And I never thought maybe the market was going to reach this level anytime soon. Guess what? The market did reach that, and we might still see a breakout, or we might still see some continuation of those sells. It's possible. But if they continue, obviously they have to break that support area. If that is broken, then we don't really have any choice, but we can say, you know what, if we see a breakout, we will continue looking for those downtrends opportunities. But at the moment, we can see like 1, 2, 3, 4 days straight, The market has been playing around the same level. Even around this area, the market did that. But if we break this one, I think it's going to be a different story. Then we'll say, yeah, maybe that is a continuation of that sell. But mostly, we already had an aggressive sell. The market might still break and still reverse very quick. It's possible. But it seems like every day there is something. Every day there is something. Every day there is some serious economic stuff. Trump says something. Last, I think a few days ago, he said, yeah, maybe recession might be around the corner. The second day he said, no, we don't really expect that. US economy is very strong and stuff like that. So there are some stuff which you can't actually predict, unfortunately, in the market. So you have to be just ready. And now we are on US oil, still on this nice downtrend structure, but this is a very strong support area. And I'm expecting to see the market going a little bit up before going down. And this is just a scalping thing. You just have to jump there on a scalping. Don't just hold longer, because the overall structure is actually a downtrend. And I'm expecting to see the market going up. I saw OPEC countries. I think I'm repeating this for the third time. OPEC countries are they are actually trying to increase the oil prices. So which means we might start to see those prices here going up also. But at the moment, it seems like the market is trying to go quite slower. Remember, you can get our system indicator or signal indicator on a discounted price. Let me know. And yeah, you can just scan that QR code and just talk to me. So yeah, thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot-Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.